Hello, this is On Your Mark World, and today I'm going to show you how I prepare coffee. Say hi to Pumpkin. This is not a very simple process. You have to get your Aeropress, a Java press, and your coffee beans. You have to grind the beans first. So the reason why I got a Java press is because it has a ceramic burr inside, and it allows you to grind up the beans to how fine you want them to be. It grinds them with a very even size. What I like about this one is there's a little line inside, a little black line that allows me to see how much I need to put in without putting in too much for just 1 cup. Okay. So right up to the line, a little more, a little less, it's okay. And today we're preparing the Starbucks Autumn Blend, which is a dark roast and has some notes of dark chocolate and subtle spices, which to be honest is a little bitter for me, so I wouldn't really get it again. But it's not bad. Okay, now comes the grinding process. This takes a while. Maybe 2 minutes or more. Another thing I like about this one is it's very easy to travel with. It really takes a while. So usually I watch TV or something while I do this. Okay, so once you're grinded up, it's ready to go into the Aeropress. But when you get beans that are already ground up for you, then the Aeropress already has other things for you. So you can just put in this funnel here, in a spoon, a measuring spoon for how much you need to put in. Usually just 1 scoop is enough for your Aeropress. But because I already know how much to put in here, there's a little line inside. I can just put it directly into the Aeropress. So just go like this. Some little parts that want to come off, so just top them out. Got it. Okay, next it's time to put in the hot water. So I have a timer here. It takes 30 seconds first. First I'll put it in at level 4 and put in water up to level 3. Then we're going to stir it for 30 seconds. And start your timer. And then let it settle for the 30 seconds. Usually heat the water back up. Hot water usually helps it the most. And then I fill it up to the top. Stir it again and wait for 2 minutes. And if you like it a little bit stronger, I usually go beyond the 2 minutes because I like strong coffee. Okay, and you put the cap on, and I have a metal filter that I bought separately. It's the Mesh by Altera. It works quite well, and it brings in some of the oils from the coffee that would get filtered out with the original filters. These are the original filters that you get with the Aeropress. I have yet to open them because I like my metal one, and it works forever, and these you can run out of. Okay, so now we just waited for 3 minutes. 2 is usually less necessary. Okay, now here comes the scary part. You have to flip it over. And it could make a mess, so just hold it tightly against here. Flip it over the sink. And then press your Aeropress. Depending on how fine the grains are, it'll be easier or harder to press. The finer the grains, the harder to press. Once you hear that sound at the end, you're finished. Okay. And now your coffee is already ready, but you should clean out your Aeropress first before you enjoy it. Okay, clean up your filter. With thicker grains, you might need to scoop some out. And now this part is just gonna pop out like a hockey puck into the trash. Rinse it off. It's gonna help to preserve your Aeropress for as long as possible and keep it clean. Later I'm gonna do a more thorough cleaning. Doesn't take that long. Okay, I just reheated the water. Let's fill it up to the top. If you want it stronger, use less water. A darker roast won't affect how strong your coffee is. It's actually the amount of water that you put in. And now, our coffee is finished. Let's enjoy. Alright, getting better and better. And this is how you can enjoy fresh coffee at home anytime. Hope you enjoyed. This was On Your Mark World. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Say hi to Pumpkin, and let me know if you have any questions about any of the products I used today below. And if you're a coffee lover, please make sure to check out my coffee playlist for coffees around the world.
Oh.